Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm so excited to be here today to let you all know that I'm going to be a YouTube kit ambassador for Scrapping for Less and the Flavor of the Month card kit. So I'll be designing monthly and showing you card creations on my YouTube channel for the kits. I absolutely love these kits. I've had a chance to work with one full kit and one partial kit and really enjoyed it. So this is the kit for the month of April and it's called the Colors of Spring. I've already separated out the collection so I can go over them with you one by one so you can see what is in the kit for this month. You can download the Flavor of the Month ingredients sheet, so I'm just going to put that off to the side so that I can make sure that I'm telling you exactly what is in the kit. And then there are always 4 card sketches that you can use, and I will probably be using some of these. I'm hoping to showcase the cards. I'd love to do some 10 cards, 1 kit videos for the Flavor of the Month kits. I may not be able to do that every month, but I'll at least do several cards from the kit so you can have some inspiration. So this kit came with this beautiful bag, all spring themed, and I've already taken stuff out like I've said, so let's get right into collection number 1. Collection number 1 contains the Pink and Mane rain frogs, which is so adorable with this little frog sitting in the umbrella and the little rain boots, and the sentiment says, "To enjoy the rainbow, we must endure the rain." So that will be a really sweet kind of thinking of you, encouragement type of card. We also receive 3 Doodlebug Doilies. These are perfect, actually 4 doilies, which are perfect sized for card makers. I love the lime green color. Now just a note with all the collections, because they split things up, you may get some different pattern paper or different colors, those kinds of things. So things may be different based on pattern, color, those kinds of things, just because the whole point of this card is to split stuff so you get lots of things to try. The other thing you get are the Spring Market Kennedy Grace Sequins Mix, which is really pretty. You get 3 Doris mini clips. So I got pink ones. You get an envelope in every collection, and then the paper is Spring Market by Echo Park. This paper is absolutely beautiful. There's pink on the back side, leaves, some pretty cut aparts. This is a gorgeous wood grain paper with the rain boots on the back. Beautiful floral with wood grain and a floral print on the back. This pretty piece with some flowers and arrows, and then another wood grain with a beautiful pattern on the back. So very pretty. So that's collection number 1. For collection number 2, the stamp is Spring Greetings by Sunny Studios with this sentiment Spring Greetings, and then the 2 bunnies and a tulip, and then you get 2 different sized hearts as well. So that's really sweet. You get some Pebbles word stickers. So I got one on a pink sheet. So these are really sweet. Thanks. Live life in full bloom. Thank you. Tea time. Worry less, live more. Hello spring. You are my cup of tea. Treat yourself. And a bunch of other sentiments. Really sweet. Again, you get the envelope. Some Kennedy Grace sequins. These are the Spring Plaid collection. So pretty. Really soft pastel. You get the Wood Icons, butterflies, and flowers, and I got a leaf as well. So those will be fun to play with. And then I'll show you the paper. So the paper is from Perfectly Plaid Spring by Lawn Fawn. You get 6 sheets. So I got 2 in green, 2 in pink, and 2 in blue. So really pretty, fun, bright spring colors. For collection number 3, you get the Stamping Bella Tiny Towny Garden Girl Daffodil. She's absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to color this up. I love her little daffodils on her high heels. The stamp is a great size for card making. It's a rubber stamp. You also get 3 colors of foil dotted cardstock card front panels. So you can just use these for your cardstocks. Oh, I love this beautiful teal kind of aqua, purple, and then I got a green. Beautiful. You get some Doris Craft twine, the Kennedy Grace sequins, which are so pretty. They have a circular pattern to them. Beautiful mix and goes perfect with the paper, the envelope, and then I'll show you the pattern paper for this collection, which is Bundles of Blossoms by My Favorite Things. So again, you get 6 pattern papers, this one in green, yellow, orange, a dark red, a light pink, and I got a dark purple. So those are so pretty and vibrant in a spring rainbow color palette. For collection number 4, the stamp is a house mouse design cling rubber stamp from Stampendas called Crocus Droplet. It's absolutely adorable with this little mouse catching the raindrops off the crocus. You get a sheet of Doodlebug Thinking of You stickers. The ones I got are in white. You get the Kennedy Grace sequence. This is a Vintage Bliss collection. It's so pretty. It has sequined flowers or confetti flowers that are raised, and then it also has these larger sized flowers as well. So pretty. And then you will get a Doris yellow pattern washi. So the rolls and the patterns may vary. So this is the one I got, a chevron pattern in yellow. And the paper is by Vintage Bliss by Simple Stories. So I'll show you the ones that I got. So there's this pattern with the little bingo cut aparts, butterfly pattern, beautiful wood grain, some like note paper, reminds me of my old school books, a blue chevron, kind of like a book background with a yellow grid. And then these two are both kind of reminds me of notebooks as well. It's a pink floral on the back, and this is a green polka dot. So pretty. So if you ordered the banana split level this month, it's some amazing goodies. So you always get the little candy, which is always appreciated. This month, there's the Celery Green Watercolor by Avriel, which I'm so excited to try. I've never tried a liquid watercolor. The stamp set is Spring Bloom by Scrapping for Less and Brutus Monroe. So let me just use the back of this. Really pretty. Bloom where you're planted, hello, happy spring, and happy birthday with the two. I guess that's kind of like a dandelion almost, and a daisy or a dandelion. Really pretty. And then while I have this, I might as well tell you what these are. These are watercolor panels by Concord and 9th. So you'll get 2. I got one that says just a little note, and then one with a circular dotted pattern. So those will be fun to try out, especially with the liquid watercolor. And the die for this month is the Spring Sprig die by Lawn Fawn. So that'll be fun to play with as well. And next I'll show you the cardstocks. So with every Scrapping for Less card kit, you'll receive 210-pound smooth white Solar Crest cardstock. This is Nina cardstock. And then you'll receive 6 sheets of colored cardstock by My Favorite Things. So it's a pretty soft gray, and then a soft beige. Maybe I'll just put them out like this. So really pretty, almost soft pink. Snow cone, which is a favorite. This is jelly bean green, and then grape jelly. So a fabulous card kit. I'm so excited to design and share my creations with you, and I hope you will stay tuned and look out for the videos and watch. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. Bye.